الشرف ذو دعاء قل أرأيتم إن كان من عند الله ثم كفرتم به من أضل ممن هو في شقاق بعيد نريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق أولم يكف بربك أنه على كل شيء شهيد صدق الله العظيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Chief Guest, Chairman of Fenaka Corporation Limited, Mr. Mohammed, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Dr. Mohammed Sharif, Deputy Vice Chancellors, presenters, participants, and invitees. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to you all. My name is Amri Nazir, and it is my pleasant duty today to welcome you all to the opening ceremony of the second International Conference on Electrical this conference. We have begun with the recitation of the Holy Quran by Sheikh Abdul Rahman Yunus. Thank you, Sheikh Abdul Rahman. I now humbly request the Vice Chancellor, Dr.
Rahim, Mr. Mohammed Rashid, Chairman of Fenaka Corporation Limited, Executive Chairs Professors Emre Aslan and Yunus Uzun from Aksaray University, Turkey, Co-Chairs Dr. Mahendra Gurchuan from the University of Maldives and Dr. Shehnaz from the Maldives National University, Ambassadors, Deputy Vice Chancellors, distinguished invitees, heads of delegations, participants of this conference, all physical and online attendees to this opening ceremony, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. I am delighted to welcome you all to the Maldives National University. Even more rewarding is welcoming all international participants to the Maldives. I am confident that you will be pampered by our local hospitality, the warmth and culture, along with its natural beauty. I hope you enjoy both the country and the conference. Let me now take my place in the ceremony by officially welcoming you all to the second International Conference on Electrical, Computer, Communications and Mechatronics Engineering, ICECCME. Under the guidance of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, the executive organizers of this conference is University of Aksaray. This year's conference is being co-organized by the University of Mauritius and the Maldives National University. It is with great delight I extend a heartfelt and a warm welcome to Mr. Muhammad Rashid, Chairman of the Feneka Corporation Limited, for agreeing to officiate this opening session. Mr. Rashid, we appreciate your gracious attendance. As Chairman of the Maldives' largest state-owned utility provider, your presence here demonstrates the importance you place on promoting, especially in the field of engineering. That is the focus of this conference. Thank you for taking time. Let me also take this opportunity to welcome special invitees to this segment and thank you for attending. We are honored to have you among us today, demonstrating scientific knowledge and innovation. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. The aim of this conference is to bring together industry experts and around the world to exchange cutting-edge, share and application, electrical, computer, communications, and mechatronics engineering. Engineers all across the world began this tradition of exchanging and research and innovation in 1884, and it has since become a tradition in the advancement of scientific improvements for the welfare of humanity. Today, as the world faces global difficulties and increased natural disasters, the necessity to share such technologies and expertise and information is becoming important, and new solutions that are sound, economically viable, promote human well-being. To this end, it is an honor for the Maldives National University as well as the Maldives to host the physical session of the second ICECCME. Working in collaboration with the universities of Mauritius to co-organize a conference of this caliber is a tremendous experience for a small university like us. For MNU, on our journey towards the realization of our vision to become a renowned university, international partnerships such as this conference brings in valuable recognition, networks, and prospects. In particular, this conference has come to MNU at a really opportune moment. We are currently towards international accreditation of MNU to strengthen our quality assurance process, benchmark them with international standards and best practices. I am certain through this conference, plenty of opportunities and doors will open for us, supporting the growth of MNU. I respectfully thank the conference chairs and its various committees for giving MNU the opportunity to host this ICECCME conference in-person sessions this year. Thank you very much. I am confident that the knowledge gained from the sessions substantial momentum for the modernization of our engineering curricula and its application at MNU. Of this nature and various engineering disciplines will bring valuable lessons to the Maldives as well. The Maldives economy is constantly growing Asian Development Bank predicted earlier this year that 8.2% GDP growth for 2022 and 10.4% growth in 2023. We have surpassed the estimates of this year by 10.2% GDP growth. Along with these economic, it's vital that we establish of engineering and science as professional disciplines of practice as regulatory. I am confident that this conference will contribute essential information of engineering practitioner. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Over the course of this, we will be able to listen to, discuss and share valuable knowledge and ideas from a wide range of nations that will stand to improve the fields of electrical, computer, communications and mechatronics engineering. I am particularly pleased to note that this conference features creative ideas from MNU students, for which I applaud them. This conference provides a wonderful opportunity to exchange vital expertise with international counterparts in the field. Permit me to conclude my remarks by extending a warm welcome to Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, and ICECCME participants. We are all looking forward to the parallel sessions, exploring the posters, and participating in the lively exchanges, intellectual debates, and technical prowess in person and online. May Allah bless our collective research efforts in science and engineering, sharpen our minds and broaden our knowledge horizon to enable innovative solutions for the good of humanity. Thank you and wassalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Vice Chancellor, for your remarks. I now respectfully request the ICECCME Chair from the University of Mauritius, Dr. Mahendra Gurchan, to give an introduction of the conference. Dr. Mahendra Gurchan.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Mr. Mohammed Sharif, Vice Chancellor of Maldives National University, Mr. Mohammed Rashid, Corporation Maldives, Dr. Aishat Shainaz, Mr. Emre, Dr. Uzun, Dr. Shazla, all protocols observed. A warm welcome to everyone to the second version of the ICECCME conference. This one, of course, is the so I want just to quickly give an overview of how this conference started. So the first version was last year in Mauritius, and the very if you want, the fundamental principle behind ICECCME was interdisciplinary research. You would all know now, in the current times, whatever research we do, it has to be multidisciplinary. Dr. Sharif just mentioned about the challenges we're facing in society currently, climate change or any other problem. To be able to tackle these challenges, we would need to work in teams, and it's no more possible that you work in your own discipline only. So the very purpose of ICECCME, as you see so many disciplines intertwined together, was to offer this platform where researchers can work together and use research which has impact on society. Yeah. So, and a quick overview of the session today at the Maldives National University. So you would have received the agenda already with the parallel sessions, how it's occurring. We're going to convene at 2 p.m. as you see here itself for the keynote speech. Parallel sessions A1 and it's also the second parallel session. Now, this is the main location where we'll be, of course, for the keynote speech, and the other parallel sessions would take place in ABC, which is on third floor in the adjacent building, in the FHDS, and the DE is going to take place on of the again in the adjacent building. Okay. Now to continue, this collaboration started with Dr. Shazla, and we as some Mauritius were looking for collaboration with the Maldives, and a very good platform. Again, offering you a platform where you can also develop networks, contacts. So I would hope that you are able to network, like as you'll be seeing in the conference. We have sessions followed by coffee breaks, networking sessions. So we really hope you use these sessions, and based on the presentations, you could develop collaborations or network to further your own research. Okay, so I thank you very much for your presence and look forward for a very enriching and fruitful conference to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mahendra. I respectfully invite the chief guest, Chairman of Foundation Limited, Mr. Muhammad Rashid, to deliver his speech. Mr. Muhammad Rashid.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Salatu Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam wa ala alihi ajmain. Your the ambassador, distinguished guests, conference executive chairs and co-chairs, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum, and congratulate ICECCME University, the University of Mauritius, and the National University of Maldives for organizing this international conference on electrical, computer, communications, and electronics engineering. I understand this is the second with about 440 papers being presented, and more than 260 delegates participating physically, with many more participating online. This may possibly be the largest such to be held in the Maldives so far. I am also grateful for the organizers to invite me to be part of this ceremony and the opportunity to you all. Thank you. The government of Maldives has adopted a target of 26% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions and also aspires to achieve net zero by 2030. In this context, this conference is of much importance and of interest to us all. There is a pressing need to accelerate the development of advanced clean energy technologies in order to address our challenges of energy, security, climate change, and sustainability. Solar photovoltaics has emerged as a key energy option to realize shift to a decarbonizing energy supply, and is considered an attractive alternate electricity source in the future for us. Electricity generation in Maldives is primarily through diesel, marine gas oil, basically. Approximately 700,000 tons of oil is imported annually, and of that, about 80% is used for electricity generation. In 2018, the installed capacity of solar PV was just 16.5 megawatts, with an annual generation of about 24 gigawatt hours. The amounts since have almost doubled, and it is expected that the growth would be exponential in the near future, with many projects in the pipeline and under construction. FENACA's contribution to this is 11.3 megawatts of solar PV installed, with 7 megawatt hours of battery energy storage systems installed, contributing to about 7% of the total energy generation of FENACA. That is in 154 islands of Maldives. While solar PV is an intermittent source and needs storage for grid stability, higher penetration, which is relatively expensive at this moment of time. We still have a very long way to go, and Maldives needs a sustainable renewable energy source for its baseload generation. I am very hopeful and very interested to find out if the research to be presented at this conference would be instrumental in accelerating the drive towards decarbonization. I wish all the participants an engaging and interesting and successful conference, and also success in taking their research to the next levels and hopefully commercial operation applications. I would also like to humbly request all participants to take some time and see our beautiful underwater natural reserve. So experience cuisine and also take time to visit the beach, which is a very inspirational place. Thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Mr. Madrash, for your inspiring words. I now respectfully invite the Chancellor and ICECCME Chair from the Maldives National University, Dr. ICECCME to deliver the closing remarks. Dr. ICECCME.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guest of honor, Mohammad Rashid, Chairperson, FENACA Corporation Limited, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Mohammad Sharif, ICECCME Conference Executive Chairs, Professors Yunus Uzun and Emre Arslan, University of Aksaray, Turkey, Co-Chair Professor Mahendra Gurushan, University of Mauritius, Excellencies, keynote speakers, presenters, and participants of the conference, distinguished invitees, staff and students of MNU, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. First of all, allow me to thank the guest of honor, Chairperson of FENACA Corporation Limited, for gracing us with his presence as the chief guest in this occasion to support us in our pursuit to create a culture of excellence and international academic collaboration at MNU. Thank you, Chairperson Mohammad, for your inspiring words of advice for the participants of the conference and our researchers and students. As the Vice Chancellor has stated, it is indeed a great pleasure and an honor for the Maldives National University to host and co-chair such a prestigious conference as the International Conference of Electrical, Computer, Communications, and Mechatronics Engineers. Esteemed scholars from 77 countries all across the globe and with 276 participants present here. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, ICECCME is an important conference eagerly anticipated by industry professionals, academics, and engineers from the related institutions to exchange and ideas on electric, computer, communications, and mechatronics. This year's conference, featuring more than 450 papers and about 200 papers, will be presented face to face at the Maldives National University. At this juncture, on behalf of Maldives National University, I would like to thank the executive chairs and co-chair of this conference for trusting MNU and giving us this opportunity to collaborate and host an international conference of this caliber, and for giving us the opportunity to learn from the expertise and experiences of the esteemed scholars. Thank you, Professors Yunus, Emre, and Mahendra. I would also like to thank various departments within MNU, especially marketing, facilities management, IT, Dean and of Engineering, and Director of Research and Research Development Office team for their commitment, dedication, and sincere effort in organizing this conference exceptionally well. Distinguished participants of the conference, we value and appreciate your presence with us and look forward to your insights and to learn from your knowledge, expertise, and experience. We wish you a rewarding conference and a comfortable stay. And as the chief guest has said, we hope that you will take some time off from your busy schedule to enjoy and experience the sunny side of life. Sir Henry Royce's advice to engineers: strive for perfection in everything you do. Take the best that exists and make it better. When it does not exist, design it. We are looking forward to see many of these creative and innovative designs at this conference. Thank you, and Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Deputy Vice Chancellor. This brings the close of this opening ceremony. Thank you all for your presence. Refreshments will now be served outside. The session of the conference will begin at 10 a.m. Thank you all very much. I wish you a fruitful conference and a pleasant day.